Lalagyan lang naman. Antiwa na, di ba? No, nakikinig. Diba nagsama ka naman? Tapos, nagpapinagdunduan na. Ayaw pa daw niya ngayon ng nagpapinagdunduan na
si Sumaruno Carosa, kaya iti Carosa iti Ichi Homo. Ichi Homo, kaya nagiti Barangay Sumurot, kaya Barangay Santa Barbara, ago municipal employees. Sumaruno Kakapsat, o Carosa, kaya iti Carosa iti The Nazarene. The Nazarene, nga sumurot iti Barangay Nazareno and Barangay San Pedro and Couples for Christ. The Nazarene, San Andrel iti Sumarunaw Kakabsat iti Carosa, Jesus meets his mother. Jesus meets his mother, kaya dagiti Barangay sumurot, kaya iti Barangay San Agustin East and Barangay San Francisco. Sa may libot kaya iti Carosa iti Simon of Cyrene. Simon of Cyrene nga iti Barangay sumurot kaya iti Barangay San Miguel. St. Benedict Foundation for Children and Aging. Simon of Cyrene nga sumurot iti Barangay San Miguel, St. Benedict Foundation for Children and Aging.
Hermanos, hermanas, Simon of Cyrene, Architect Wasson and family, the heirs of Professor Lord.
Paalala po, mag-ingat din po tayo sa mga mandurukot po at iwasan po sana natin magtuwan-tuwan habang tayo po ay nakikipag-prosesyon. Sumaruno Carosa Kakabsat, kaya iti Carosa, iti Jesus Falls. Jesus Falls na sumurot iti Barangay San Julian Norte and Barangay Santa Rita Sur, the St. Mary's Academy, third year students, and the Santa Rita Sur
La Joya, the heirs of Judge Arnulfo Ubungan, and Mr. Fernando Alfaro and family, Jesus Falls.
Di Sumaruno Kakabsat Carosa, kay ti Carosa ti Jesus talks to the women of Jerusalem. Jesus talks to the women of Jerusalem nga dagiti barangay sumurot kay Barangay Santa Rita East and Barangay Santa Rita West. Pastoral Council, Lula Agoo, God Loves Prayer Community and Familia Community.
Hermanos, hermanas, ex-Vice Governor Aida M. Aspiras, Attorney Mario Oreta and family, ex-Mayor Jose Luis M. Aspiras, Miss Christy M. Aspiras, Vicky M. Aspiras Mendoza, Miss Reggie Aspiras, and God Loves Prayer Community Incorporated.
Isumaruno Kakabsat, kaya Jesus is nailed to the cross, nga tisunuro ta barangay, kaya Barangay Paluarte, Barangay San Julian West.
Next ako, Carosa, those shall be with me in paradise. Surutan ako ni Barangay San Roque East and San Roque West, and also El Shaddai, San Isidro, San Nicolas West, and San Isidro Pastoral Council, Polytechnic College of La Union, PCLU, Christian Family Movement, and Paris Renewal Experience. Again, Carosa I first, Barangay San Nicolas West and San Isidro, and Barangay San Nicolas West and San Isidro Pastoral Council, Polytechnic College of La Union, PCLU, and Christian Carosa in Calvary, Surunduan na po sa Barangay Consolacion ng Santa Ana, Couples of Christ, ang Santa Ana Pastoral Council. Dito na po, Karosa Calvary, surunduan sa Barangay Consolacion, Barangay Santa Ana, Couples of Christ, ang Santa Ana Pastoral Council.
Calvary, the years of Familia Madara, the years of Sir Knight Aurelio L. Padilla. Kahapsat, may kahapsat na iwasan tayo iti agin ni istorya. Bagkus, ginihikayat po ang lahat na manalangin po.
Sumunod mga karosa po, Jesus taken from the cross. To be followed by Barangay San Manuel Norte and San Manuel Sur, Apostles Chief of Prayer, San Manuel Sur Pastoral Council. Again, Jesus taken from the cross. Barangay San Manuel Norte and San Manuel Sur, Apostles Chief of Prayer, San Manuel Sur Pastoral Council.
Jesus is taken from the cross. Heirs of ex-mayor Nemesio Yabot, heirs of Miss Esther Alban, heirs of Attorney Nicanor Mapili, heirs of Judge Rafael.
Paalala po, pag may nawala po kayong gamit, meron po tayong Philippine National Police standby po. At saka meron din po tayong katulong dito ng mga PNP. Doon po kayo lumapit po. Unknown Akarosa, Karosa iti La Pieta Council.
La Pieta is the...
Sumunod nga po, Karosa iti Marta. To be followed by Barangay San Nicolas Norte and San Nicolas Central, and also PEQN National High School. PEQ National High School, Barangay San Nicolas Norte and San Nicolas Central. Karosa iti Marta.
Marta is the heirs of Marta Intavora, heirs of ex-President Casimiro Mabutas.
Sumunod mo ako ang Karosa Maria Cleope. Karosa iti Maria Cleope. Tumipalot ay Barangay San Antonio at Confraternity of Our Lady of Charity.
Maria Cleope is the heirs of Sister Chua Aurelie, Mr. Inti Gregoria and family, Mr. Cesar Child and family. Maria Cleope is the heirs of Sister Chua Aurelie, Mr. Quintin Redulia and family, Mr. Cesar Puntayo, Ita Biernes Santo 2025.
Sumunod mo ako Karosa Maria Jacobe. Tumipalot Barangay San Joaquin Norte.
Conrado V. Posadas. Maria Jacobe is the heirs of Judge Conrado V. Posadas.
Tumipalot ay Barangay San Jose Sur, San Joaquin Sur, KC Council 13920, ladies, at San Joaquin Sur, San Joaquin Sur, KC Council 139 Council.
Maria Salome is the heirs of Dok and manggangat kayon to kandila yo ket pakicheck yo apo tapno saan kayo met nga makauram iti bado wenno kawes iti sarsaron ninyo nga magliliblibot. Thank you.
Sumunod Monica, to be followed by Barangay San Marcos of Santa Monica, Daughters of Mary Immaculate, Santa Monica Pastoral Council. Again, Carosa de Mary Immaculate, Santa Monica Pastoral Council.
Veronica, heirs of Engineer Carissimo Villanueva, heirs of Mr. Andres Trinidad and family, Barangay Immaculada.
Sumunod na po Carosa, Maria Magdalena, to be followed by drummer and rosary leaders, and also Barangay San Vicente Sur.
Magdalena is the heirs of Felicidad Fontanilla.
Sumunod na po Carosa San Juan, to be followed by Barangay San Julian East and Purok, Colombians, Choirs, and the Apostles. Ulitin na po, Carosa San Juan, to be followed by Barangay. The Knights of Columbus, Company 4109 and Company 13920 and PCLU Council 14570. Again po, Carosa de Santo Enchero, to be followed by LMP Knights of Columbus Common Force, Architect Mariano Madriaga Assembly, the Knights of Columbus Company 4109, Company 13920, and PCLU Council 14570. At also po, kapataya po dito mga apapali kayo, Apo Renit Chan, Dine Arco, Albert Feliciano.
And the Aurora Seminarians. Makabsat, may palagig manin, may dayto Bernie Santo, ken dayto kumang matyan po kakabsat, at kararat, luwasan tayo kumagi istorya habang makinibubot tayo. At mali paalala po, mag-ingat po sa mga manduroko.
Tayo ka mga protestakti na, ganyan bangkay, ganyan, Apo bangkay tayo, Apo. Sabi ko nga sa lawan tayo, ipidalang tayo, Apo.
Kabsat, dito sa Ilawin, ako yung City Center, medyo wala tayo magbasin. The Santo Enchero is the heirs of Engineer Edmundo Tolentino and family, heirs of Felipa Estacio and the Santa Monica Parish. The Santo Enchero and the Santo Bangkay is the heirs of Engineer Edmundo.